Hello, wonderful people. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Summerson Clothing. Thanks for being with us. Thanks for watching us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on the notification button and also comment, share, and like our videos to promote our channel. It is one way or the other helping to contribute to the advancement of this channel. Thanks and God bless you for doing so. Today we are going to learn how to pipe or tape the neck of kaftan top that you are working with. We already have our top that is going to use for today's lesson being cut out and also joined. If you want to learn how to cut out your shirts, the kaftan that you're working, we already have videos covering this lesson. So please just go through our videos and you're going to find these videos and learn from them. So without wasting much time, let us get into it. This is the fabric that we'll be using for the piping or for the taping. What we are going to do is we are going to cut the fabric in bias. What we mean by bias is just cutting out the fabric to get this stretchy part. You could see that this part of the fabric doesn't stretch. This part also doesn't stretch that much. But when you cut it in the diagonal line, it makes the fabric very stretchy. So this is what we call bias. So this is how we are going to cut out the fabric that we'll be using for the taping. So this is how we are going to fold it. This is how you are going to fold it. You are going to cut it according to the size of the neck. I mean the length. You are going to cut it according to the size of the neck, and I think 1.5 inch is okay. 1.5 inch is okay. Good. So we have cut it in a bias fold. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open it like this, and iron. We are going to fold this part to touch the middle line, just as I'm doing it. This is how the folding is being done. We do same for the other side. What you're doing is you are learning how to pipe the neck of a kaftan or a senator top. So after folding it, we are going to put your hemming stiff in between this space. So just like this. Just put it in between it. And then you iron it. So after ironing, we are going to fold it. But when folding it, make sure they are not the same. Don't put them, don't fold them equally like this. But what we are going to do is we are going to make one part a little bit shorter than the other. Shorter than the other, just like this. So now this is how it's going to look like at the end of the day. So what we are going to do is we are just going to stitch it around the neck just like this. So now let us move on to the stitching of. Before we do that, if you are going to have a placket in front, what I'm going to do is we are going to divide it just in between at the middle of the kaftan. You just cut it a little bit like this so that you start the piping from this end and through like this. So now this is how we are going to do it. You see, I already said when folding it, you shouldn't let it be equal like this. One part should be a little bit shorter than the other. So the shorter part of it will be at the top of the fabric. So just like this, you open it, then you place it in just like this. Make sure it touches the middle of fabric. So just like this. Please, when you are stitching it, don't straighten the round neck. You just stand it just like how the neck, the shape of the neck is. You shouldn't straighten it, just turn the neck, just turn it as the shape of the neck is. So this is how the stitching is being done. So now after stitching it, this is how the ironing too is being done. You just turn it and turn it or fold it or stretch it to be just like the round neck is. Please don't do it like this when ironing, but rather it is being done like this. The ironing forms part of getting the shape of the neck very well. So you just iron it just like the shape of the neck is. Just like this. Good. So this is how our neck is going to look like. So simple and nice. So this is where we are going to place our plackets. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also share for others to watch. Thanks for watching